Here's the best $10 online business. It's super simple. You can work from home or anywhere else you want to be, work just minutes a day, and make lots of money, enough money to retire on, and it's only $10 a month. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, coming to you again today from our home here on beautiful Loon Lake up in the Adirondack Mountains. I've been making money online full time for over 23 years now, and I've never seen anything like this. When my buddy Jeff showed me how he made over $20,000 with this in 1 month, I was blown away. If I hadn't seen it for myself, I may not have believed it either, but it's true. Over 20 grand in 1 month. And he isn't even the top money maker in the company. Well, I teamed up with him and went to work. And I'll be honest, I have not made 20 grand in 1 month yet, but when I take a close look at this, I know I will. And this $10 business might be just right for you too. Just like I did, you'll get the exact same done for you, landing pages, sales pages, and follow-up emails. You won't have to create anything. All you do is spend a few hours per week at your convenience using one of our free marketing strategies to get traffic to your landing page. The system does the rest. At just $10 a month, anyone can afford this business. It's super simple. It almost builds itself. Everything is done online. There are no phone calls to make, no bugging friends or family. You can put the time in whenever it's convenient for you, even if that's at 3 in the morning. And because it only takes minutes a day, this is ideal for busy people. As for the money, we get paid several ways. You can get paid every week by direct deposit and earn monthly, long-term passive or recurring income too. There are no long commission holds, no waiting for a check in the mail. This home business is an international opportunity. I'm having people all over the world team up with me. The marketing tools I mentioned are set up for you. You do not need to create anything. Previous experience does not matter. Many new people start making money their very first day. And with this business, you can make money without recruiting anyone. Excellent training and support are provided. Plus, I will be your personal mentor and coach. You will never wonder about what to do next. Making money online is so much easier when you have someone to show you the way. Imagine what it will be like when that someone is me, an industry leader with decades of experience. And in case you are wondering, this is not one of those MLM things where you have to buy products every month. So, to learn more about the best $10 online business and to start making money today, take our online tour at attainmygoals.com/easy.